again, hand match. Fight in any guard that you prefer. So, again, with this pausing action, if I throw to your inside lane, right, even though you're denying it, right, throwing here, I'm hoping for an outside return. Yeah, right? So the move...
I would have stepped to take a stab. Like,
yeah. But the move for me is I throw here with a step, and follow it up with the body.
I know I've seen that before. Yeah. Okay, I hear you're saying. So, we're hand match.
Yep.
Boom.
Yeah.
And I didn't even need to pull it back that much. I loaded it.
Correct. Exactly. Yeah. So again, like I'm throwing at this inside to then force you to throw to the outside, right? Cool. I want to block anyway. Great.